Napakyan siya. Ayan guys. Look. My pink swanset. Oh, I love it guys. Ayan. Ayan, parang model na naman ako guys. So, I really love it. The pink swimsuit guys. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Oh, I really love it. Pack na pack siya guys. Ayan oh. For only 250 pesos guys. Ang ganda. I really love it. Ayan oh. Pack na pack siya guys. Talaga naman. Ayan. I really love it. One of my favorite color guys. Yung ating pink swimsuit. So, ayan guys. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya guys. Ayan. Ang ganda niya irampa guys. O diba? Pack na pack yan. Ayan guys. Oh. High waist siya. Ayan, high waist yung ating swimsuit. Ayan. I really love it. Pack na pack. Ayan guys. Ayan. Feeling model na naman ako guys. Ayan. I really love it. Yung ating swimsuit na napakaganda. Ayan guys. Sa murang halaga lang. Ayan, sa murang halaga lang siya guys. Meron na naman akong pang rampa. O diba? I really love it. Ayan, I'm ready na guys sa aking fashion walk at sa aking pagbi-beach. Ayan guys. Pack, 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 pack. Ayan. I really love it. The first time. So